Hey, what's up guys? This is Eizy from Eizy Customizer, and this week we're gonna check out another plastic model kit by Kotobukiya, a new line called the Sousai Shojo Teien, and her name is Madoka Yuki in her high school winter outfit with after school cafe table set. This kit costs you around 4,800 to 5,900 yen for the Madoka Yuki and 1,900 to 2,400 yen for the table set, and these prices are from the hobby search. But I bought this from Uncle Chen Workshop, a local hobby shop here in Malaysia. Check out my unboxing video and review up until the end because this is totally a different kit, a new kit compared to the Kotobukiya Megami device and the Frame Up Skill. Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. Let's unboxing Madoka Yuki from her beautiful box art. We have some info from the site here, and for this site, the details and the accessories that comes with this kit as well, the face expression, and for the first runner, this is her uniform. And this is the action base and the hair parts, and this is the body parts, her legs, her tights, and in the back here we have some joints and the head parts, and this is another hair parts, and then this is her skirts. We have 3 options here to choose from, and we have 4 different face expression, the blank one and the school bag, and this is the hands, the rubbery hands, and then her school shoes, and in the back here joints and the red ribbons, the hand joints, and the pink one is the smartphone. And we have the yellow ribbon here for her hair parts and some pre-painted parts here. Also the face expression, there are 4 of them as you can see. And then this is the manual, and it comes with this separate piece of paper for the runners. Nothing much back here, and the guide how to assemble the model kit. And then also we have the color guide for Madoka Yuki and the water slide decals. And for this table set here, check out the box art. It's so nice, and from this side here there are some information for the model kit. And then at the back here, as you guys can see, all the parts that you will get from this set, including this face expression. This is the chairs, and this is the table, and these are the foods and drinks. As you guys can see, it is supposed to be a boba tea, and also an extra face expression with the blank one and the water slide, and also the assembling guide. This is the straight build of Madoka Yuki. The assembling process is quite straightforward, and there's no glue needed, and you just snap fit everything and you will get what we have right here. And overall, well, this is totally different model kit compared to the Frame Up Skill, the Megami device, in terms of the articulation and the joint designs. Size comparison with Kotobukiya Megami device, Kotobukiya Frame Up Skill, Snail Shell GN Wolf 001, Hoi Hoi Sun Mini, Nendoroid, Variable Fighter Girl by Aoshima, Bandai Figurized Standard, and Bandai High Grade Gunpla. She also comes with an action base and a school bag like this, and this is the smartphone. There's two of them. Check out the details of this smartphone, and the difference between both are the thickness, as you guys can see here. And there's three different heads with the hairstyles, and this is the first hairstyle, the long hair design. And this tiny piece here, you need to be careful because a wrong move, you will easily break it. And this is some articulation for the bangs. And we have the second one here, the twin tails. This is my favorite. And the articulation, it can rotate like this, and it is using this tiny ball joint. And this is the ponytail hairstyle, and the articulation can move like this and can make one full rotation. And then you need to be careful with this tiny part here. And to change the face plate, just remove this front section here, and you get this kind of connector. And also this is the neck piece for the Megami device, also included with this kit. And this is the extra ribbon for the ponytail. She comes with a set of grabby hand to grab this cool bag, another set of grabby hands with holes in it to hold the drinks from the table set, and another set of grabby hand to hold her smartphone and the grip from the table set, a set of open hand, a set of fist sign, and a set of grip hand. This is the extra joints, a bit different compared to the frame up skill and Megami device. It is a combination of plastic with rubbery parts. There are 8 total faceplates in this kit with 4 blank faces and 4 pre-painted. This is her smiling face expression, a surprised face expression, embarrassed face expression, and my favorite, her angry face expression. For the head articulation, it can move up and down like this, it can go side to side, and it can make one full rotation, but I don't want to do so. The arm can move up about this far, rotation here, can bend about this far, and rotation here. And then it can do like this. And for the joint, here's the new joint here. There's no articulation here, and at the back there's a hole for the action base. A bit of articulation here. It can lean forward a bit and back. And for the legs, articulation can move like this, and you can pull this leg out a bit. Rotation here. You can bend about this far. Rotation here. Can move up like this and do pivot. And for the legs joint, this is how it looks like. And this is the skirt option number 1, and this is the skirt option number 2. Also, we have the third option here for her sitting pose here, and it will look like this and this. Move on to the table set part. We have the chairs here. There's 2 of them, and it looks pretty nice. And also a round table like this. And we also have this grips. Not only that, this is the drinks. It looks like a boba tea inside. And to hold this, just use the grabby hand with the holes in it and just attach it like this. Extra faceplate for this set here, and also a water slide decal. Overall, this is a great plastic model kit, easy to assemble, no glue is needed, and nice color separation. Even though the articulation are not that great as Megami Device and Frame Up Girl, but it is a cool type of plastic model kit and it don't need some fighting or do dynamic poses. With a new type of arm and leg joints, make it easy to do paint job later on. Thumbs up for that, and more model kits will join this line soon, including the Koyomi Takanashi in her school winter outfit. Also, we have the Ritsuka Saiki in her school summer outfit with new accessories like school retro desk, and we're gonna have the umbrella set and after school travel time set. So that's all the unboxing and review for Sousai Shojo Teien plastic model kit by Kotobukiya. So see you guys next time. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook RZEZ Customizer and my Instagram RZEZ. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more because here we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.